Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of April. This will be a very interesting month because we have a full moon on the 28th of March. This full moon is all about emotions, relationships, deepening, strengthening, the weaker ones breaking. All the emotions will come to the surface. So let's see what you have this month. Alright. Okay. As far as I remember, last month you were focused on new work, new job. Something has broken your heart. Two of Pentacles, and you were juggling something. Something has broken your heart. Something has. There was a tower moment. For me, tower moment is something breaking, but you're still holding on to it. Let me clarify this tower first. So, okay, I feel that though this happened, you still had options around. It could be love, it could be work, but I feel that you're being very stubborn about something, and the other person is, you find the other. I think you find the grass is greener on the other side, is what I'm getting, and that's. Let me clarify the Three of Swords for you. You still have options. While it was something was crumbling down, you still had options. So yeah, you feel. I think Magician. So I feel it's something that you found was very fulfilling wasn't fulfilling for you anymore. You found it quite flaky. But I think things are turning this month for you. What are you holding on to? Let me clarify the Four of Pentacles. What are you holding on to, Sagittarians? Let me see. I feel you're holding on to an idea for love, people in love. This could be a third party situation, the person you don't want to let go, even if it's a third party. I feel that Page is a very not very mature card, and neither is the Knight. But your energy is an Emperor energy, and I feel even the offers, business wise, job wise, you're getting are not too exciting in terms of your standards. But I feel Magician cards that things are about to change. You are about to make a change, but you're holding on to a certain idea which probably is you're getting stuck with it. Let me take two more cards. Yeah, so Wheel of Fortune, Magician, Wheel of Fortune, Chariot. So this month things will start moving forward for you, Sagittarians, even in terms of it could be that somebody chooses you with the person you're holding on to, or it could be the idea that you're holding on to starts seeing the ray of the light and starts moving ahead. Let us see what the theme of the month is as for the major arcana cards. So, up till now, whatever, I think you were not too happy with the progress of a relationship or a job or even the offers. You feel you had better offers, which I think broke your heart, or you were not too happy. But you're still holding on to something which I think will start moving this month, probably the latter half of the month. The Sun, the Devil, and the Lovers. Oh, okay. So again, if you're looking for a relationship, this is, I think there's love and there's passion also. This will I think the stamp of you being in a relationship will happen this month. If you're looking for a work, I feel that you'll leave behind a toxic environment and move to a better place where you enjoy working. Let us see what the messages are from the universe. But I feel that the relationship that you're holding on to has a lot of love and a lot of passion. Both. It could be toxic in some ways, but then there is love too. Because it's a third party situation, that's why it's toxic. But I think things will take a good turn for you. It says everyone is doing their best. So you are doing your best, Sajis. Send them love, send them peace, see them happy, everyone always forever. It says that if you have to leave behind a certain situation, wish them luck because everybody is doing their best. Even if you have arguments in the past with somebody, let them go because see, you don't know what the other person is going through, right? Those you love you. Oh, there's another card which wants to come out. You will be surprised. My God, I was surprised to find this card behind it. You will be surprised this one, so take it. This was meant for you. You will be surprised, Ajis, whether it's love. Ask with love, and the answer may surprise you. Yes, yet whatever the answer may be happy. So, I think you will be surprised this month. Time to make a demonstration. Just below, there's a so time to make a demonstration, maybe of love, maybe of of your qualities, of your the idea that you're holding on to. It says just curious. When was the last time you looked in the mirror and addressed yourself as gorgeous, magnificent, and sublime? It matters. So you really are the person who can make a difference here, Sajis. Let's take some more cards from the universe. So I think this is a demonstration month. This will Sun card also for me means in my deck I take it as the card which puts light spotlight on something. So I think it will put spotlight whether your relationship is strong, whether the idea is strong. You know, like I told you, full moon will also reveal few things. So it says that my vibes speak louder than my words. Joy is the ultimate creator. The moment I embrace my peace within and surrender the outcome is the moment that the universe can truly work. So yeah, you need to really enjoy, really embrace the whole. I think tower moment happens when probably this is the theme of first 2 weeks or first week wherein your heartbreak from March is continuing and something will break in order to something to if you're holding on something, if you really ask for something from from the universe, something really from the heart, I think they will give you. The joy will come, your vibes need to change. Don't remain in this hurt vibe, change your vibes and things will change for you, is the theme. Let me see how can you handle the situation from my wisdom cards. Welfare work. So they want you to do some charity, some good work, welfare. I mean, I think you have been too self-centered or too say. I'm sorry, I don't want to say this, but this is coming out. Maybe you're focused. Maybe because you're focused on tower and the hurt that you're forgetting about people around you. Maybe who need your help. It need not be a welfare society work. It could be your friends, your family who need you, and you're just focused on yourself and your needs and your work, your condition. Um, or it could also mean that you need to serve society at large. It all depends on what kind of person you are. If you are a person who is involved in a community service, then you might want to go back to that this month. If you're a person who's really helpful to people around you, you might want to get back to that. It just says that maybe helping others would help you. Maybe finding solution for others will find a solution for you. Um, this could mean that, and so I feel that things will change for you. Then we start moving from I think the later part of the month for you right now, and till then just focus on your peace, focus on good vibes, focus on people around you, other people who might need you, and I think things will turn out to be good at the end of the day. There's a light at the end of the tunnel. Sagittarians, that's all I have for you, and if you like what I do, do subscribe to my channel, and we'll meet next month.